Okay, so we're just going to select an ATM to use this with this trade. This is a futures ES 100 tick, so it's going to be quick. We're not going to show you these examples on a 4-hour because we would be here for days. So we've done this on 100 tick. It's a pretty big 100 tick pattern, and we'll just put in our sell order there. Now, when this triggers, it is going to have a stop and target attached to it, which we are going.
Order filled.
There you go. It is going to automatically place, and then we can adjust if we need to, but it handles the order for us. So we're just going to wait to see what happens here, and things are getting a little jittery, but we need to just wait this one out. We have a lot of time. We're still in the green zone right now, so I'll come back and pop in as the trade progresses. Now we have hit the daily close. It is up to you on whether or not you want to hold your trades over this next hour or not. We haven't had crazy price action leading up to it, so I think we should be okay. We'll let this continue on and see where we open in about an hour.
Order filled.
Okay, so I did not expect that. You might be wondering where my trade is, where my orders are. We actually had a target filled and the rest of the trade was therefore removed. Obviously, we had hit a target as soon as that first tick sort of opened, and the thing got closed up and wrapped up. So that was pretty quick. Normally, I mean, look, holding stuff over a weekend is a no to me. Holding stuff through the daily settlement period, I mean, that's totally up to you. Did the pattern forecast that, or did we get lucky? Look, either way, we play the direction of the patterns. We can go ahead and even look at re-entering patterns, not this one particularly because we've already kind of maxed at the top, but we could if we had a pattern that would give us that second chance opportunity. So anyways, if you want to learn all that, if you want to go through the execution plans and put something like that together for your trading, we're happy to do that with you. Just head to XABCDtrading.com. We can help you get started. And also, if you were wondering about the ATM that we were using, that is part of our ATM pack. So just either head to our website and find it, or Google XABCD ATM pack. That's XABCD ATM pack, and you'll be able to download it for free. It's just widely available. So feel free to use our ATMs. We use them obviously with our XABCD pattern suite. So if you want to check out that, you can. Any other questions, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help you out.